Hi guys, so today we're gonna play Minecraft as you can see. So as you know, I have made a video that is how you make a donkey stable. Okay, my last video. So now this video will be I'm gonna make a parrot cage. Oh, it's already made. But I made this, but I hate it a lot. My parrots hate it. So I'm gonna let. Oh no, this is a sheep. Oh, so I can't let them go out like that. They can go out like that. See, and they go and I just want them to just fly away. I just want to die. We're gonna make her. Oh, I could just kill them with cookies. So dumb. Okay. Sorry, I cheated. No, I'm not in survival. Who would be in survival this time? Who would like to be in survival? So this is, I can show you around. One, two. This is a chicken farm. Yeah, it is a chicken farm. Oh. It's a chicken farm, I guess. Wait, I thought that was a rabbit farm. Oh, that's the rabbit farm. Then that was a chicken farm, and this is. I'll show you my favorite farm. It is the. Wait. I thought it was a. Oh, there it is. Which animal it is in? Yeah, it's the donkey. Where is the donkey? And this one will show you horse. I don't know, donkey escaped. Let me go and see. Okay, I'm gonna do that later. So, our parrots are free. After, I don't want to explode it in the video, so I'm gonna just mine it afterwards. So, let's get started making a parrot cage. So, parrot spawner. And what you need to make a parrot cage. The idea is in my mind. So we're gonna use these. I don't know what are these, but we're gonna use these. I thought first when I thought they were electric fences. You zombie, get out of me! I'm gonna build even you slime. I'm in more slams. Go for me. I hate it. I don't know why I can't make it. A rhyming word. Oh, I forgot to show you the llama. But the one turtle is inside. You. How? They dropped their favorite food, aloo kalu. What? Just happened? Oh no birdies! You're gonna die. I'm gonna go up and cover a bedrock. Oh, I remember. Last time I just digged a bedrock. I remember now. No one was in here. Get out of here, babies. or you're locked here forever. Come. Okay, you're locked here forever. I don't care. Parrot was... I'm not gonna read it. I'm not gonna read it. I know I slammed him. No. I just slashed him. Not slammed, whatever this. That's how you make a whistle. I put something in my mouth and do. Oh, where's my house? There it is. Good thing I have the lights. I'll get started. Let's get started over here. So we need to make it a large one so the animals could fly. So it already has been. This video has been just for 6 minutes, and I think we were just chatting for 4 seconds. Are you correct, guys? Am I right? I just don't. So, if you don't know, I made a goat farm, but the goat just jumped away. And I just love parrots and goats. They're my favorite animals. I can't live them though. They're like so good. They're my favorite animals. Animal, don't mama mouse. Moo, moo, moo! Can't you get the road? I think we need to make it like 3-4 layers more. Oh, I just forgot we need to do the outline 2. Outline 2, outline 2, outline 2. Outline 2, outline 2, out. You shape, you're gonna get a B-air structure. Get out of our place, or you're gonna die. Die. No thank you, no thank you, no thank you. That's okay. This is and this big is gonna be long, and big. We're gonna see the end of the video. I think these are good. I thought the wood planks. I thought you to call them. I just forgot their names. I just forgot them. I'm so clumsy. The clumsy boy, yeah. I'm called the clumsy boy, yeah. Hey, don't. Oh, I'm in control. So it will never explode in the road. It will never explode in the road. It will never explode in the road. It will never explode exactly in the road. It will never explode. Glass over here. Needles. Oh, one is there. Good. And then the other. Yep. And then we're gonna make one there. And 2 there next. That's it. That's what I wanted. So that's what I'm talking about. We need 4 layers. I'm just a clumsy boy. I don't know how to play Minecraft. We're gonna make the roof from planks, maybe? Maybe. I think so. Yeah, that will look good. Uh-huh. Yeah. No, 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 no. Oh, no. Hey, cow. I'm gonna cow you. Get out of here, creeper, or you're gonna get creeped. Or you're gonna get in a cage. Forever, for your whole life. Like the parcel. Maybe the parcel. I just wanted to give them like a room, the flag, and da. And they did the star, it's the skaki, goopy daddy, doo. Nani, kaki, kukuki. So guys, we are almost done. So sorry I was so quiet. I was concentrating that where should I put it. So I would just look my mind. I would just think about it then. This is going to be the world's longest video just to make this. If you even know that I'm working on an iPad, but not my controllers or like computers, because I have some controllers. But okay, guys, the final event. Then I'm gonna just okay. We are gonna use these ones. Okay, good for you guys. And then and when are gonna be released. I just like to be the keys. Okay. This is the final dot. Oh! I forgot to put a door. So dumb. Stupid. Just put a jungle door. I was about to say jungle door. It's made out of dough, but it says we're reading in the jungle door. I just put the jungle door. The door. Just a door. I don't think they will get out. In a second. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna show you how to make it, but not on the parrots. But next video I can show you how to show you how beautiful my parrots are gonna be, and it's gonna be. This is the world's longest video. Have you seen Sis vs Bro? Their videos are this long. Do you know that? My video is just that long because I was using the spot. Takes a lot of time. Yeah, bullseye! This is an, I think, let me show you. This is the end of the video and bye bye.